You ever found yourself staring at two folders on your computer screen? Maybe a backup and the original, and you just get that little nagging feeling, are they really the same? Well, in this explainer, we're going to demystify how to compare folders in Windows. We'll help you find the perfect tool for any situation, whether it's just a quick check or a really deep dive. It's a classic problem, right? You've got these two folders that look practically identical. It could be a project folder and its backup copy, and you have to know what's different. But the thought of opening every single file one by one, well, it's just exhausting to even think about. And that's really the heart of it. Trying to manually check file names, their sizes, when they were last modified, it's not just tedious, it's super easy to miss something. It's like playing a digital game of Spot the Difference. And who has time for that, especially when you're dealing with hundreds or even thousands of files? There has to be a better way. Okay, so first up, let's talk about the quickest and easiest method, one that's already built right into every version of Windows. This is going to be your go-to when you just need a simple high-level overview. No fuss. That's right, for a super fast surface-level comparison, you don't need to download or install a single thing. The good old Properties window is your first stop. Now, it's not going to give you a super detailed breakdown, but it can give you some major clues in just a couple of seconds. The process here is about as simple as it gets. You just right-click on each folder, pop open its properties, and then drag those two little windows side by side. You're looking for two key numbers, the size on disk and the contains count. If both of those numbers match up exactly, chances are pretty high that the folders are identical. If they don't, well, you've just confirmed something's different, and it's time to dig a little deeper. So, the big takeaway for this method? It's instant, it's easy, and it's already on your computer. But, and this is a big but, its major weakness is that it doesn't look inside the files themselves. You could change one word in a huge document, and the file count would stay the same. So, yeah, it's great for a quick check, but for a real, detailed analysis, we're going to need a more powerful tool. Okay, so what if you need a proper, detailed report, but you really don't want to mess with any command lines or code? Well, that brings us to our next method, a user-friendly powerhouse that gives you all the detail you could ever want in a simple, visual way. You know, the source material for this explainer really hits the nail on the head with this quote. While command line tools are definitely powerful, let's be honest, most of us would rather just click a few buttons in a straightforward visual app for our day-to-day tasks. And that's exactly what this next tool is all about. And that tool is called WinMerge. It's a fantastic free open source application that was built for one main reason, to visually show you every single difference between files and folders. And don't let the name fool you. While it can merge things, it's that powerful comparison feature that really makes it shine. Getting started with it is a total breeze. Once you've downloaded and installed it, you just launch the app and hit Control-O on your keyboard. That pops up the selection window. And here's a little pro tip for you. Instead of clicking through all your folders to find the right path, just open it in Windows Explorer, right-click, and choose Copy as Path. Then you can paste it directly into WinMerge. Once you've got both paths in there, just hit Compare. And this is where the magic really happens. WinMerge spits out this super clean, color-coded report. It'll clearly label files as left-only or right-only. It highlights the identical ones, and it even shows you differences in modification dates, right there side by side. There's no guesswork at all. Every single difference is laid out right in front of you. Okay, but what if you need to automate this process? Or maybe you're working on a server that doesn't even have a graphical interface. For situations like that, we have to go beyond the pretty GUIs. So let's shift gears and take a look at the powerful command line tools built right into Windows. Buried deep inside the Windows commands prompt, there's a utility called RoboCopy. That stands for Robust File Copy. Now, like the name suggests, its main job is to copy files. But with a few clever instructions, we can turn it into an amazing folder comparison tool. I know. This command might look a little intimidating, but don't worry, it's actually way simpler than it seems. You can literally just copy and paste this entire line. The only parts you have to change are the two folder paths inside the quotation marks. The rest of it is just a set of specific instructions telling RoboCopy exactly how we want it to behave. The real secret to making this whole thing work is understanding these little things called flags. The most important one here is /L. That little flag puts RoboCopy into a list-only mode. And this is absolutely crucial. It means it won't actually copy or change a single file. The other flags are basically just for housekeeping. They tidy up the report so you get a nice, clean summary of only the files that are different. Now, if you want the absolute ultimate level of power and flexibility, we have to turn to PowerShell. Think of this as the modern, superscriptable command line for Windows. If you need to compare hundreds of folders at once or build this kind of check into a bigger automation script, then PowerShell is, without a doubt, your best friend. The logic here is actually pretty elegant when you break it down. First, you run a command to get a complete list of everything inside your first folder, and you store all that information in a variable we'll call $folder1. Then you do the exact same thing for the second folder and store that in $folder2. The final command, compare object, does exactly what it says on the tin. It compares those two lists and shows you only the things that are different between them. It's incredibly powerful, and it's just perfect for automation. So we've walked through 4 totally different methods, from a simple right-click all the way to a complex script. The big question is, which one of these should you be using? And the answer really just depends on what you're trying to do and how comfortable you are with these different tools. Let's break it down one last time. If you just need a quick surface-level peek, just use the Properties window. It's fast and it's already there. For most people, most of the time who want a nice visual report, WinMerge is absolutely the perfect choice. If you're comfortable with the command line and need to script a simple check, the command prompt with Robocopy is a super powerful option. And finally, for huge automation jobs and the most flexibility you can get, PowerShell is the undisputed champion. So, now that you're armed with all these new techniques, the power is officially in your hands. You can finally go tackle those mysterious duplicate folders, you can verify your backups with total confidence, and you can bring some much-needed order to your digital life. The only question left is, how much digital clutter are you ready to clean up?